Hello, my friend, and thank you for considering me for one of your workshops. I want you to know that the strategies I will bring to your site for the workshop are strategies that teachers will be able to use the very next day. They are simple, they are effective. I bring the data and show them the data that backs up how effective the strategies are. The other thing I want you to know about my strategies is that my strategies can be used systematically throughout a district or a school, grades pre-school all the way to 12th grade, and across subject areas in most cases. The other thing I want you to know is that my workshops are fun. They are engaging. I have people doing things where they get up, they move around, they interact. There's a lot of sharing to colleagues in small groups, and then they have to share to the entire group. My workshops are a lot of fun. Finally, I want you to know this about my workshop. I model the same passion that you want them to show to their students. I model the caring in the way I interact with your teachers and your staff. I model the love, in other words, that we talk about a lot, but we don't have many teachers today that know how to show that in a manner that also shows high expectations. I look forward to you reading through my workshops that follow. I hope that you will feel the joy emanating from the pages, just as I feel it emanates from me when I come to your site. Give me a call, let me come and help your teachers reclaim the fire and the passion they got into teaching for in the first place.